books. Today's lesson comes from book 3. We are in the piano book 3. It has this green dot on it. The theory book is yellow, has that yellow dot. Even though the cover is yellow, it's got a yellow dot. And the theory book has some things that are not in the lesson book. We're going to go into how to construct a 5-note scale with whole steps and half steps. And it does a lot of note recognition and some musical terms. So we'll put a link for this in the description below so that you can get the theory book as well. Okay. We left off playing the ice cream songs on our last lesson. Now we're on this page 12. Cade gets in his truck. Did you know Cade had a truck? He lived on middle C right here in the middle of the piano. He gets in his little truck and he goes on a vacation. He goes past the castle all the way up till we find another cave up a little higher. There's 2 black keys up here, and that's where he's going to go. And it's higher than he is now. He has to go up on a mountain. So that is where Cade on a mountain is on the piano. It's just where he used to live, right in the middle. Now he's up on the next one. That's Cade on the mountain. See, and this shows what he looks like on the ground where he lives. And then this is where he is on the treble clef when he's up on the mountain. Okay. Now we're going to learn also where he lives in the music. See, here he was hanging on Mrs. Treble's tail. Now that's where he is in the music with that little line. We've had songs with him right there before. But now here he is up on the mountain. And look, he's way up in these lines and spaces. And if you count, he's on a space, not on the bottom space. That's the first one. 1, 2, 3. He's up on the 3rd space. And if you just come over to the treble clef, he is sliding down the treble clef right there, right after that line that goes down the middle. We're right over on that side. That's where he lives on the treble clef. Okay, the first song we're going to learn is called Sledding because we're up in the mountain and there's snow up in the mountain. Now we're going to change the fingering because we're up in the mountain that you use. I know we changed things over at the beginning of book 3. Now we're going to change it again. We're going to use the middle finger of each hand, the left hand middle finger and the right hand middle finger. Okay, the left hand middle finger is going to go on Cade on the ground. That's where we've always played Cade, regular Cade. The right hand middle finger is going to go on Cade on the mountain. Now, when you use the middle finger, try not to just have it stuck straight out. You want to make your hand round like a ball. See from the side, it's like a ball could fit right up inside my hand. So, and then that keeps your hand all balanced. So if you played on this note, you can balance your hand. Okay? Both hands, like that. Okay, sledding repeats Cade on the ground, and then it repeats Cade on the mountain, and it's kind of slow moving. It's like sledding down here for a while, and then we go up this way. Now the next song is called Skiing. We're going to pick up the pace because skiing goes even faster. Instead of repeating Cade on the ground 3 times, it's just Cade on the ground, Cade on the mountain, Cade on the ground. It's back and forth. Let's see how quickly you can do that. Now I want you to play each of these songs 5 times. Can you play it through 5 times every day? See if you can get better every time. Okay, the last song in this lesson today is called Bells. Because imagine you're way up high in a mountain and you can hear bells ringing way off in the distance. Up in the mountain, it's bells. Now, we're going to bring our hand back to the hand position that we were in for the ice cream cones and for the school teacher songs. So the right hand, Cade, Dave, Elix, right there in the middle of the piano. And then the left hand thumb is going to be on bell. All right, so we play the first measure is in that hand position, your hand's right there, just like the last songs before. But then when you play Cade, now you have to lift up your hand and with your middle finger, go up to Kate on the mountain. And then you come back down to your regular hand position. And then at the end of the line, you go up to Kate on the mountain. That's how the whole song is. It's the regular hand position, up to Kate. Regular hand position, and then up to the new Kate. All right. I want you to practice those 3. And I'd love to hear how these lessons are going for you. So drop me a note in the comment section and let me know. Okay. See you on the next lesson.